Hello, it's me, MC Seth again. Sorry, same clothes, because I had a bonus idea for you for a bonus video, and this time it involves making party plates. So this time, just let me switch you over to my camera here. So you can see last time we were over here, so we're just going to use this zip top pouch just to generate a set of party plates for us, because I've got a good tip for you. So if we type in party, we've got party plates. Review and confirm. Awesome design. At least it gets the picture for us, eh? So go in here, and you can see it's got a 1 plate, 2, 4. So choose 4. This only works for designs that you've got similar designs of. So I'll explain along the way. So if we just make, you can see you've got 4 designs down here just by my face. So if we just make that one fill just by using the auto size button there and go to plate 2, you see from the last video I had more than one design of this. So we can go to this one and we can put that one on there because it's party plate after all, and put this one on there, bing, and then just do the same one for the beginning. There you go. And now you've got some party plates that are different. Now obviously if this was bone china, then I'd probably just keep it the same, or you might not. If you've got more than, if I had 4 designs, then maybe and they're only slightly different, I'd do it for the bone china. But yeah, generally speaking, if I was using this design for bone china, they would all be the same if I had that option to make the 4. So you can see there's 4 plates there now, and it's more of a party. It's a better incentive for a customer to buy this instead of buying 4 plates the same. So save that design. I'm not going to run you through the whole process because this is just a quick tip video, so I'm going to end it there. Thank you very much.